When positioning your case taper, make sure it is mounted on a flat and level surface at the same height and in line with your production line. The upper tape roll, the upper tape cartridge detent pin, the upper tape cartridge height adjustment locking knob, the upper wipe rollers and lower wipe rollers, the cutting knife and cutting knife cover, package width guides, the on-off power switch, and the lower tape roll. To install the lower tape cartridge, raise the upper tape head to its highest position and simply drop the lower tape cartridge onto its locating pins. Drop the left end of the upper tape cartridge onto its location pin. Slowly lower the other end, pull on the detent pin, drop the tape cartridge into position, and let go of the detent pin. Adjust to the appropriate height. When threading the tape, simply follow the threading diagram in your manual. Wind the tape around the tension and wipe rollers and use the cutting edge to break the tape off. Height and width adjustment are a very important part of smooth operation. To adjust for package width, simply loosen the width guide adjustment knob. Position the width guides and retighten the knob. To adjust for package height, simply loosen the height adjustment knob on the upper tape head. Slide the upper tape head to the correct height and retighten the knob. You are now ready to begin operation. To change the drive belts on your case taper, first reach underneath the machine, grab the belt, and pull down until the idler pulley drops out of its operating position and loosens the belt. Then remove the connecting pin from the belt. Simply slide the belt from around the pulleys. To install a new belt, wrap the belt around the drive and idler pulleys and reinstall the connecting pin. When the belt is in operating position, reach under the machine and using the palm of your hand, push the idler pulley back into its operating position. To change the cutting knife blades, first, loosen the cutting knife blade mounting screws through the access holes in the knife blade cover. Open the knife blade cover and remove the mounting screws. Take care not to lose or misplace your mounting screws. Position a new knife blade and replace the mounting screws. Close the knife blade cover and using the appropriate sized Allen wrench, tighten the knife blade mounting screws. The wipe rollers are very easy to replace. Simply remove the circlip from the wipe roller mounting pin and slide the roller off the pin. Replace it with a new roller and reinstall the circlip.